So when you sign on to Edmentum, this is a home page, and over here on the left are links that you need to use. So you can go to Learning Path, and then it has math, language arts, and reading. And then the next option is teacher assigned, and these are the assigned activities. If something wasn't completed, it is considered overdue because it was not turned in. So it's in this overdue section. I would like to your child to not spend time on what's overdue and constantly being playing catch up, and go down here to this arrow and click on it and do the due next week section. So that's the current work. And then these are the completed activities. So I would suggest starting the due next week, doing the current work, so that they're not constantly playing catch up and have too many things due.